If you want to use the hotspot method, it's pretty easy. Simply go to the hotspot menu. I can just search by hotspot. Select mobile hotspot. Make sure you are connected to OctoVPN first. Then you can edit the network name and the password. That's what I decided to put mine as. Then enable it. Now you gotta go to change adapters options. Then you gotta find tab Windows Adapter V9. Right click and click properties. Then click sharing and then click allow other network users to connect. Now you gotta find the local connection or the LAN connection. This is the one I have. Okay. Exit. Then you can reshare it if you want to. And that's it. Now you can connect to your console, your Xbox, your PS4, PS3 using these credentials. And now, once connected, you should open up our web browser to confirm that it's routing through the VPN. And the VPN IP matches the one IP here. And that's all you need to do.